Preco's contract manufacturing services provide innovative solutions for today's manufacturing challenges. From getting new products to market, to creating cost-effective and high-productivity solutions, to providing new possibilities that can't be accomplished with traditional methods. If you have a problem, Preco's contract manufacturing services can find a solution. After developing your solution, we can either produce your parts in-house or design and build a system for your facility. With the industry's largest variety of laser systems in-house, Preco is much more than a traditional laser job shop. We offer an extensive range of innovative laser cutting, scoring, perforating, welding, and surface modifications, such as laser heat treating and cladding services. We also provide flatbed and rotary die cutting, as well as formidable full-service manufacturing. We can purchase your materials, process them, package them under your label, and ship them to your customers. Preco is a reliable source for both short and long-term production runs and a proven leader in product development and feasibility studies. We serve customers in a variety of industries, including transportation, automotive, medical device, flexible packaging, electronics, and general industrial markets. Preco's test laboratories feature high-speed, high-accuracy optical measuring centers, which provide accurate and precise inspection results. In addition to 2D capabilities from the state-of-the-art vision systems, these centers are equipped with touch probe capabilities for 3D product mapping. We are ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 certified, and will provide you with consistent, high-quality, on-time delivery at competitive prices. And with one of the most knowledgeable, experienced, and technically savvy teams in the business, we have the expertise to solve the most challenging problems you face. Our application engineers, made up of PhDs, metallurgists, and engineers, work with you to solve problem applications. Our quality team is staffed with engineering professionals experienced in all major markets. Preco's contract manufacturing services can provide you with all the resources needed to integrate manufacturing solutions for the challenges you face.